Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 6 self-practice 2b of chapter 2. Chapter name is Fractions and Decimals of class 7th of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 6 self-practice 2b of chapter name is fractions and decimals and topics are multiplication of fractions and multiplication of fractions by a whole number. Please subscribe my channel and like share this video more and more so that I will upload more videos according to your topics. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is simplified. First bit A is 4, 7 divided by 9 multiplied with 12. Product of the mixed fraction and the whole number. First we have to convert this mixed fraction 4, 7 divided by 9 into an improper fraction. So converting the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we multiply the denominator with the whole and the result added with the numerator divided by the denominator. So multiply the denominator 9 with whole 4, 9 multiplied with 4, the product is 36, 9 multiplied with 4 is 36, 36 plus numerator is 7, 4 multiplied with 9 plus 7 divided by denominator 9. So 9 multiplied with 4 is 36, 36 plus 7 is 43, 43 divided by 9 multiplied with 12. Now product of the fraction and the whole number is product of the numerators divided by denominators. 43 multiplied with 12 divided by 9 multiplied with 1. 43 multiplied with 12 divided by 9 is cancel this 9 with 12. 3 multiplied with 3 is 9 and 3 multiplied with 4 is 12. We cancel 12 and 9 with 3, that is 3 multiplied with 3 is 9, 3 multiplied with 4 is 12. So we get 43 multiplied with 4 divided by 3 multiplied with 1, and 43 multiplied with 4 is 172 divided by 3. 172 divided by 3 is an improper fraction as numerator 172 is more than the denominator 3. So we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, just dividing the dividend with the divisor. So divide 172 with 3, we get 172. We can write 172 as 3 multiplied with 57 plus 1. Dividing 172 with 3, we get 57 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So we can write mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient is 57, remainder is 1 and divisor is 3. So we get 172 divided by 3 is 57 1 divided by 3. And 57 1 divided by 3 is a mixed fraction. Now we solve question number second bit B. 1 divided by 8 multiplied with 6. Here product of a fraction and whole number is product of the numerators divided by product of denominators. So multiply 1 with 6, 1 multiplied with 6 divided by 8 multiplied with 1. 1 multiplied with 6 is 6 divided by 8 multiplied with 1 is 8. Now we cancel this 8 and 6 with 2. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8 and 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. So we get 3 divided by 4. and 3 divided by 4 is a proper fraction where numerator is less than the denominator. Now we get 1 divided by 8 multiplied with 6 equal to 3 divided by 4. Now we solve question number 3rd with C. 2, 1 divided by 10 multiplied with 15. Product of a mixed fraction and a whole number. First we convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So converting a mixed fraction into improper fraction, just multiply the denominator with whole and add the result with the numerator divided by the denominator. So multiply denominator 10 with whole 2, 10 multiplied with 2 plus numerator is 1 divided by denominator is 10. So 10 multiplied with 2 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21, 21 divided by 10 multiplied with 15. Now product of a fraction and a whole number is product of the numerators divided by product of denominator. So 21 multiplied with 15 divided by 10. 21 multiplied with 15 divided by 10, we cancel this 10 and 15 with 2 with 5. 5 multiplied with 2 is 10 and 5 multiplied with 3 is 15. Cancel 15 and 10 by 5. Product of, now we get 21 multiplied with 3 divided by 2. 21 multiplied with 3 is 63, 63 divided by 2. This is an improper fraction as numerator 63 is more than the denominator 2. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction, just dividing the dividend 63 with divisor 2. Dividing the dividend with divisor, we get 31 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. As we know, 63 is 2 multiplied with 31 plus 1, where 31 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. We know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. So we get 31 1 divided by 2. So we get 63 divided by 2 is 31 1 divided by 2, and 31 1 divided by 2 is a mixed fraction. So we get 2 1 divided by 10 multiplied with 15 is 31 1 divided by 2. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is evaluate each expression, write each expression in simplest form. First bit A. 15a for a equal to 11 divided by 15. We have given a is 11 divided by 15. We have to find out 15a. 15a is 15 multiplied with, given a is 11 divided by 15. So 15 multiplied with 11 divided by 15. Product of a whole number and a fraction is product of the numerators divided by product of denominators. That is 15 multiplied with 11 divided by 15. We can cancel 15 with 15, numerator and denominator 15, we get 11. B. 2 divided by 3 x for x is 27. We have given x is 27, so 2 divided by 3 multiplied with x is 2 divided by 3 multiplied with 27. Product of a whole number and a fraction is product of the numerators divided by product of denominators. So product of numerators is 2 multiplied with 27 and product of denominators is 3 multiplied with 1. 2 multiplied with 27 divided by 3 multiplied with 1. We can cancel 3 with 27. 3 multiplied with 9 is 27. Now we get 2 multiplied with 9 divided by 1. 2 multiplied with 9 is 18. 18 divided by 1 is 18. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my